Our dear subscribers, New Year's Eve is the time for celebration and spending time with your family and friends. It is also the time for delightful wishes. Many things can happen throughout the year, good and bad ones. Let's be grateful to the passing year. We thank our subscribers and those who inspire us to move forward. For being with us this year, sharing your experiences, your emotions, and your creative works. The new year symbolizes new beginnings, new endeavors, and also gives you time to think everything through. No matter what you're up to in the new year, keeping your hands off the cookie jar or working on your relationship with your loved ones might need some extra effort. Let us try harder to change for the better together. Forgive and forget our own and our dear ones' faults and mistakes. We hope that in 2022 we will evolve together and reach each other with fresh ideas and inspire each other for the better. Our great team and I, Olga Paukshte, stay with you in the new year.